Ever notice those random lag spikes in games that seem to happen even when your CPU usage isn't maxed out? It could be Windows core parking messing with you. Core parking is a power-saving feature that turns CPU cores on and off dynamically, but in gaming, this can cause micro-stutters, delayed frame delivery, and noticeable input lag. Today, we're going to fix that with ParkControl, a lightweight tool from Bitsum that lets you easily disable core parking and tweak CPU frequency scaling, without digging deep into hidden registry menus. Plus, I'll show you some bonus hidden settings to make your system even snappier for gaming.
Step 1. What is core parking and why it hurts gaming? Windows tries to save power by parking CPU cores when it thinks they're not needed. On laptops, this helps battery life, but on desktops and gaming rigs, it can backfire. When a game suddenly needs more CPU power, the parked cores must be woken up, which takes milliseconds. But in gaming, those milliseconds can mean dropped frames, stutters, or lag spikes. Core parking also interacts with CPU frequency scaling, meaning your CPU can run at lower speeds unless Windows decides to ramp it up. Again, too slow for fast-paced games. By disabling core parking and setting a more aggressive frequency policy, we can keep all cores ready for action without unnecessary power delays. Step 2. Download and install ParkControl. ParkControl is a lightweight utility developed by Bitsum, the same trusted team behind Process Lasso. Its main purpose is to give you easy, direct access to hidden CPU power management settings, things like core parking and frequency scaling, without forcing you to dig through complex registry edits or deep Windows menus. This is especially useful for gamers or power users who want to squeeze out the most consistent CPU performance with minimal hassle. Go to the official site. Install the program. If you chose the installer, follow the prompts and use the default installation path. Decline any unrelated software offers, if any. Installation takes just a few seconds. Explore the interface. At the top, you'll see your current Windows power plan: balanced, high performance, or ultimate performance. Below that, ParkControl shows advanced CPU settings such as core parking, frequency scaling, and turbo boost settings that are normally hidden in Windows.
One of ParkControl's most powerful features is the ability to completely disable core parking, a Windows power-saving feature that can actually hurt gaming performance. Core parking dynamically parks, or disables, CPU cores when they're not in use to save power. But in fast-paced games, waking them back up can cause brief stutters or drops in 1% low FPS. Here's how to turn it off. Select the correct power plan. Open ParkControl and look at the drop-down at the top. Select your active plan, usually balanced, high performance, or ultimate performance. Locate core parking settings. Under the CPU section, you'll see core parking index for both AC when plugged in and DC when on battery, laptops. Disable core parking completely. Set both AC and DC values to 100%. In ParkControl, this actually means 0% parking. In other words, all CPU cores will stay awake and ready. Apply and activate. Click Apply. If your selected power plan isn't currently active, hit Make Active so the change takes effect immediately. By doing this, your CPU no longer has to wake up parked cores during sudden spikes in demand, eliminating one source of unpredictable frame pacing. Games feel smoother, input latency can drop slightly, and heavy background multitasking is handled more consistently.
Adjust CPU frequency scaling. Core parking is just one part of the performance puzzle. Inside Advanced Power Options, do this. Minimum processor state, set to 100% to keep your CPU running at full speed during gaming sessions. Maximum processor state, leave at 100% so the CPU can boost fully. If you're worried about heat or fan noise, you can set min processor state to 85 to 90%, but for competitive gaming, keep it at 100% for the fastest input response. for laptops on battery, you can set DC values lower to save power when not gaming.
Registry method. If you prefer full control or want to export and back up your tweaks, you can disable core parking directly in the Windows registry. This method works even without ParkControl and can be applied to multiple power plans at once, but it requires caution as you'll be editing deep system settings. Here's how to do it safely. Open the registry editor. Press Win+R, type regedit, and press Enter. Click Yes if prompted by UAC. Navigate to Core Parking Settings. Go to... That long string is the unique ID for the processor performance core parking min cores setting. Edit the parking values. Inside this key, you'll see value min and value max. Set both to 0. This tells Windows to keep all cores active at all times, no parking. Repeat the change for both AC, plugged in, and DC, battery, subkeys, if they exist. Restart to apply changes. Reboot your PC for the new settings to take effect. Pro tip: before making any registry edits, right-click the power key in the registry editor and choose Export. This creates a .reg backup so you can restore the original settings if needed.
Step 6. Hidden Windows CPU latency tweaks. To squeeze out even more responsiveness, we can use BCD edit commands. Open Command Prompt as administrator. These tweaks reduce CPU idle latency, improve timer consistency, and can help with smoother frame pacing. Restart your PC to apply them. Network latency fixes. If you play competitive online games, your ping and input delay aren't just about internet speed. They're also affected by how Windows handles TCP packet sending. By default, Windows batches small packets together to improve efficiency, thanks to something called Nagel's algorithm. While that's fine for web browsing, in fast-paced shooters, it can add a tiny delay that makes aiming and movement feel less responsive. Here's how to disable it for your active network adapter. Open the registry editor. Find your active adapter. You'll see several long alphanumeric folders here. Each represents a network adapter. Click through them and look in the right-hand panel for an entry called DHCP IP address, or sometimes IP address. Find the one matching your current local IP address. You can check it by running ipconfig in CMD. Add the low-latency D words. In the right-hand panel for your active adapter, right-click, New, D-word 32-bit value, name it TCP ACK frequency, set value to 1. Right-click again, New, D-word 32-bit value, name it TCP no delay, set value to 1. This forces packets to send immediately instead of batching, improving responsiveness. Restart your PC. Reboot to apply the changes. Your game should now feel a bit more direct and snappy, especially in Twitch shooters. This helps packets send faster, reducing input delay in online shooters.
Once ParkControl is set, disable Windows Game DVR and Xbox Game Bar. In Settings, Gaming, Xbox Game Bar, off. Turn off background apps in Windows privacy settings. Keep GPU drivers updated, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, for the latest performance fixes. These don't directly relate to core parking, but help ensure nothing else slows your system down. And that's it. With ParkControl, your CPU cores stay wide awake, ready to deliver instant performance without stutter or lag spikes. Pair it with the hidden tweaks we covered, and you'll notice smoother gameplay, faster input response, and fewer frame drops. If this helped you, smash the like button, subscribe for more actual performance guides, and drop a comment if you want me to cover Process Lasso deep optimizations next. Until then, keep your FPS high and your latency low.